Hey guys, welcome to weekly vlog number 17. I first just wanted to apologize that this vlog is going up a day late, and I also want to apologize in advance for whatever is next week's vlog, which I will probably apologize again in next week's vlog. But this week is finals week for me. It's my last week of school ever, but it's really stressful. Finals are just really stressful, and I have this presentation for my film class that I have to do, and having social anxiety, presentations are literally torture for me, and also I just am having a lot of issues completing the presentation, and the film was nowhere online. I had to order it. It's not going to come till tomorrow. The presentation's due on Wednesday. Tomorrow's Tuesday. It's really just not working out. Hey guys, happy Monday. So it's currently Monday. It's 4:02 p.m. right now, and I haven't not been doing anything productive today. I went to work this morning. I worked a 6-hour shift, and so I guess that was productive. I always forget, like, I literally work like a 6-hour shift in the morning, but like it's like by the time it's 4 o'clock, it seems like it was so long ago. I forget that I even like did that today. But since I got home, I haven't really done anything productive. We were going to film SFT today, but then I have Wednesday through Friday I'm able to film, so we were like, let's procrastinate, and so yeah. Now I am editing this week's vlog that was supposed to go up yesterday, but I didn't put it up yesterday because I'm the world's worst YouTuber. Second worst, Katelyn's first. So I didn't put it up yesterday, but I'm trying to put it up right now. Well, I'm trying to edit it right now. But we have one clip. It's of Katelyn driving for like one of the first times she went driving, but it's a 40-minute long clip, and it's taking a really long time to import. So I'm like getting kind of stressed out because it doesn't even look like it's trying to import. I don't know. It's going to take forever. So I can't even edit the vlog until that's done because the rest of the footage is edited, but it's literally like we only have 2 minutes of footage other than this. So like I really need it to import. Yeah. So that's currently what I'm doing. I'm just waiting for that to import. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. It's currently 8:29 in the morning, and I just finished getting ready, eating breakfast, all that fun stuff to go to class. So I have business today. I literally want to kill myself. I literally can't think of anything less appealing than going to business today. I'm like going to throw up everywhere because that class gives me anxiety. Okay, I am like literally, I'm really upset about it, but I have to go because I only have 3 classes left and then my finals. So I will live, I will survive. There's like a smudge on my phone. Hopefully, yeah, so I have class today, class on Thursday, and then class next Tuesday, and then next Thursday is our final, and then I'm literally done with school for the rest of my life. So I'm gonna live, guys. I'm gonna come out on the other side. I might be crying and have pooped myself, but I'll be alive, so that's all that matters. So, yeah.
Shadows tattoo on the place that you left. Our minds are troubled by the emptiness. Destroy the middle, it's a waste of time. From the perfect start to the finish line. And if you're still breathing, you're the lucky one.
Okay, so I just got out of business, and I went to Starbucks and I was standing there, and this guy was like I was standing there waiting for my drink. This guy was sitting there like waiting for his drink, or I don't know, he didn't have a drink, so I assumed that's what he was doing. He was on the phone. And when he got off the phone, he looked at me. So I like looked up at him and smiled, and he smiled back. And then like I went back to like scrolling through Twitter while I waited, and he just stared at me the entire time. Like literally, like wasn't even trying to hide it, just like, but like at me. And I wasn't even looking at him, like I was looking at my phone, but like I could see out of the corner of my eye that he was just like staring at me. It was very uncomfortable, and I really did not like it, so that just happened. I
constantly forget that we vlog. Like, I don't know why. Like, we've been doing this for so long, you'd think I would be, like, used to the fact that I'm supposed to vlog every day, but but we are gonna film SFT today, and it's getting super duper hard to find outfits to wear because I've worn, like, every single combination of a skirt and shirt or dress that I have, so I have to, like, repeat a lot of, like, the things I wear without trying to make them, like, exact same outfit, but yes, and then, yeah, but I'm going to start a true crime, like, series on our channel because I love watching videos about those cases, like, missing person cases and, like, murder cases and stuff like that, like, true crime videos, and reading about them, it's, like, super duper interesting to me, so I think it'd be super fun to make my own videos, and Kylie said that I could do that, so, not that she, like, is completely in charge of the channel, but she, like, agreed that, like, that'd be good, not, yeah, so, yeah, I'm super duper excited to start doing those because I love researching, like, things like that, and I think it's really cool, like, those videos can, like, bring awareness to all these, like, missing people that, like, you might not even, like, you've seen them before, you never even knew they were missing persons, you know, so, like, I think it's, like, really cool, and, yeah, so I'm really excited about that, but I need to find something to wear for SFT, and I literally just can't. Also, I painted my nails, and I really love this color a lot, and this nail, it's, like, my favorite nail I have, but it's just breaking, like, right out my skin, like, I don't know if you can't really see it, but, like, right there, it's, like, attached to the skin, and it's gonna, like, peel off, and it hurts really bad, and I'm scared, but, you know, it's fine.
Okay, so, like, I Google life-size $100 bill because I need a bunch of fake money for Katelyn's video, so I was just gonna print some out from the internet, and they give me this. Like, this is, like, longer than my head. This is the whole width of a piece of 8x11 paper. That's not life-size. In fact, I'm gonna go get this $20 bill that I randomly sitting in my room, and we're just gonna compare the size, because I don't know what kind of money these people are spending, but, like, that's not life-size. So, if you watch Katelyn's video and are wondering why she has the world's largest $100 bills, this is why, because I printed 6 of them, and I don't want to waste any more ink or paper, because they also could have put, like, 3 more, or 2 more, probably, on this piece of paper, but no. So, we're at Ulta right now. Katelyn's getting this, really fancy, overpriced water that's rose water. Probably just, like, dyed pink. They don't have it. Don't worry, guys, we found it. They actually have quite a bit. I'm really excited. So, Katelyn's overpriced pink water. Okay, she sprayed it on my face, water. But it just felt like water.
It felt amazing.
Like
I know
water.
it did.
Right here.
So we're at dance. I'm wearing the new Roselle t-shirt for this year.
I'm not.
The theme is game, so it's like family game night.
I'm wearing our old one.
Yeah.
Why did I do that?
And,
oh, sorry, I didn't mean to.
And our class is supposed to be starting right now, but it never starts on time. Like, we always go over a little bit, so
8:03, they're 3 minutes late.
Madison is not a big deal. My nail is still ripping. It's even worse than it was before. You can see now. Oh, you know, I'm gonna start doing true crime videos on our channel. I'm really excited.
Huh?
I'm gonna start doing true crime videos on our channel. I'm really excited.
True crime.
You know, like the missing persons videos and stuff. Yeah, I'm really excited.
God, I can't wait. Those are my favorite videos.
Yeah, me too.
I'm so excited.
think
I
our
thought you
class is
said
about to
true
start.
kind, and I was like, what's that?
No, true crime.
I was trying to sound interested, but I was like, I don't understand.
No, you know Maddie's fake. So. Just
no,
kidding,
no,
honey.
no.
It
No,
was a
I
joke.
mean,
Hey guys, ignore my hair. It looks a little crazy like it normally does after I just straighten it because I'm really not good at straightening my hair. But happy Friday. It's currently 12 o'clock and like I said, I just finished straightening my hair. So that's what I've been doing for the last like hour. It looks crazy. But today is a cleaning day. All my Fridays are cleaning days because I have the whole day off. So I always wake up, eat breakfast, straighten my hair because I wash it on Thursday nights, and then I get all my laundry done on Fridays, I clean the bathroom on Fridays, and I pick up the dog poop in the backyard on Fridays. So all of that needs to get done today. And then I also might do some other cleaning stuff because this whole weekend we're doing a lot of cleaning in the house and like getting the whole house, like we're doing like spring cleaning in the house. but I work all day tomorrow, so I can't help out with that tomorrow. So my mom said that she might just give me some stuff that she wants me to do today. So that's what I'm doing today. Not gonna be fun. Well, actually, I kind of like cleaning, so it'll be fine. There's like something on my phone that was really distracting me. Anyway, my bathroom's so gross. I don't know how my bathroom manages to get this gross in 1 week, but there's like hair all over the place because when I straighten my hair, it all just like falls out. So that's alarming. Probably a sign I should stop straightening my hair, but yeah, so there's like just hair all over my bathroom right now. So I'm gonna go clean that, but I just wanted to say, hey, I don't think we have like any vlog footage this week, but that's not surprising. Oh, and I have to edit SFT today, so great productive day. Hey guys, update time. So it's currently 2:19 and I finished cleaning my bathroom. I picked up the poop and I still have laundry going in the washer. It's laundrying still. So I just got dressed. Like, I just put on a recital t-shirt and some yoga capris and a hat, and I braided my hair, and I'm sitting here watching iCarly, as you can probably hear in the background, because Leanna's in the shower. And when Leanna gets out of the shower, we're gonna go up to Giant and we're gonna have Kylie and Leanna Giant Adventures Part 6, I think. I don't know, we haven't done a Kylie and Leanna Giant Adventures in a while. So after that, we're going to Giant to get some cleaning stuff, and then we have to clean all the baseboards in the house. So that'll be so much fun, she says sarcastically. So we're here at the Big G Giant, and we're just getting sponges and the stuff for the like the cleaning stuff, right? Yeah. So fun times. I hate wearing like a hoodie with like a t-shirt underneath, because then it's like I just have like it's green. Okay, so we made it to the aisle. I'm standing in front of all the sponges. Leanna's gonna grab a pack. I feel like you should get like just these ones.
Oh, I was wondering if they had store brand.
So, got some Giant brand sponges. Now we gotta find some cleaning stuff. We found it. Okay, normally you don't even care. Leanna! Good going. One time I spilled a energy drink, but I was by myself when that happened. So we got the stuff. So we're gonna clean those baseboards. She's so mad at me. Guys, if your mom ever sends you to Giant to get 4 12-packs of seltzer by yourself, get a cart, because it's really hard to carry 4 12-packs of seltzer when you're just one like barely 5'2" girl. I am so sweaty. I am so out of breath. My arm hurts. That was just a really bad idea.
At the back of the house, where a high school teacher caught us when making out. You and me, perfect strangers, but really not at the same time. Nothing can come between us. You and me, we're staying alive, alive, forever alive. So hear me out, I'm telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. Telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up, 'cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out, top down. When we are together, we're like the fountain of youth. I can hear them talking so far away from the truth. You and me won't take Souvenir smooth talk bad vibes. Climbing up and you know it. You and me, we're staying alive. Alive, forever alive. So hear me out. I'm telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us, we've been rolling out. Top down, telling you now, we're gonna go all the way up. Cause we got it all figured it out. For the both of us.
Hey guys, so today is Sunday, and technically this would go in next week's vlog, but I'm just gonna put it in this week's vlog because it makes more sense that way. We're continuing with our spring cleaning weekend. Like I said, I haven't vlogged much of it. I've just vlogged me saying that we were doing it, but we're continuing with that today on Sunday. And right now I am about to clean the washing machine and the dryer, but mostly the dryer because the dryer is really gross. The top of it is like so rusted and like covered in like soap and dirt. It's really disgusting. My mom's gonna get mad at me for showing you, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So basically that's the top of our dryer. So I have all my cleaning stuff right here, and I'm about to clean that. So I wanted to show you the before, and then I'm gonna show you guys the after.
Top down.
Okay, so I just finished the first part of cleaning this. So it already looks so much better. I just took some hot water and a sponge and wiped it all down, as you saw. So the rest of it I'm gonna do off camera because I want to watch YouTube videos, and so obviously I can't film on my phone and watch YouTube videos at the same time. But I'm gonna do it off camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. Okay, so it's like literally like 5 o'clock now. Like I think that it's been like 4 hours since I like started cleaning that, and I just forgot to show you guys after. I've been cleaning a lot, that's why I look like this. Anyway, we're finally finished with it, so I'm gonna show you what the after is. It looks so much better. You can't even tell that it was like all rusty right there. It just looks so good. So I hope you enjoyed the before and after of me cleaning my dryer. Great vlog content. Why am I not famous?
Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Peace, love, and ladybugs. Bye.
And ladybugs.